Hey, what's up guys? And today we're gonna be doing a little transformation video of a hunting spot we call the Runway. There's a lot of big bucks there in the fall last year, so we're gonna remodel it and see if we can have even more big bucks this year. So
Best hunting spot in Wisconsin is what it's gonna turn into.
yep, we're gonna try and do that. So we're just gonna hop on the ATV, get the weed whacker, and go weed whack a bunch of the grass and sticks. Alright, so we made it to the spot, got the weed whacker. This is the trail that we got up going. Tree stand is, should be able to see it up there. So I'm gonna start by weed whacking the trail up here just to make it easier, make the deer seem like it's more lifelike, and then we'll get up to the main area and start weed whacking. Alright, so this is like the before.
All tall and overgrown.
All tall, overgrown. No room to make a food plot. Got the tree stand up there. I want to move it somewhere like right over here where it's more brushed in, but yeah, we're gonna get to weed whacking and then set the camera up there to watch the slow-mo, or not the slow-mo, the time lapse of it. Alright, so we just got all the weed whacking done. Well, most of it, just got to get a little bit more over there. So now while we're waiting to get the fuel and oil mixed up, we're just going to start raking, getting all the leaves out, and then we'll probably eventually spray this, and then later in, well, probably in the next couple weeks, we'll get back up here with the rototiller or the tiller and till everything over, and hopefully we're going to be planting our clover food plot or oats in here. So yeah, we're gonna get the rake in, and then once the oil and fuel are mixed up, we're gonna get back to weed whacking.
Alright, so Hayden is making piles of leaves right now, and I have currently been picking up sticks and all that fun stuff, and we're making pretty good progress, and we'll catch up to you once we get a lot of it. So I'm gonna show you guys around the plot. So as you walk in, you got this pretty nice trail going in, and then it turns, and then you go up this hill to go in. There you can see Hayden raking up some leaves. And then here's the trail, but it also goes off into here. You can see the stand right up over in that tree or that tree. And then that's our brush pile where we had our scrape tree that the bucks broke. They broke the rope, and then you go around this nice little scrape, and then it's just like a circle around some of these trees that'll eventually turn into a food plot. And there's the stand now, as you can see. And then it leads off back into there and into our other food plot called the butcher.
Alright, so we got more fuel on the lawnmower. So now, or not the lawnmower, the weed whacker. So now we're just going to continue, go down to about that tree or that tree right there. We're gonna go down there, then probably go a little bit here, and then after that, most likely gonna call it for now. And then my dad's bringing up the pole saw tomorrow, so we're most likely gonna cut down a lot of these branches, and then probably cut this tree down here just so you have more shooting lanes to scrape. So yeah, we're gonna get the weed whacking and see how far we get from there. Alright, so this is going to be it for today. next time we're doing stuff in here, we're probably gonna take down that tree right there, and just take down a bunch of the leaves and branches off of there. But got quite a bit done. You can definitely tell on how the weed whacking went and stuff. So yeah, we'll most likely be out here again tomorrow and raking and spraying and cutting all this stuff down. So yeah, that'll be it for today, and stay tuned for the final reveal on how this goes.